Hello, and welcome to this short demo video where I will show you a new Sidekick skill that was recently released by Monday.com. Triggerly skill. Let's see where we can find it. Click on Sidekick and then click on the Manage Skills button. You will see that there is a new skill listed called Triggerly skill. We can use this to create QR codes for our items. First, we'll go ahead and create a file column. Let's name it QR code. Now we can message Sidekick. Ask it to create a QR code for the first item. When scanned, this code will open the item directly on Monday.com. As you can see, it is processing the request. And now, you can see that it has created a QR code using the Triggerly app integration. You don't need to install the Triggerly app separately. Sidekick just understands the context. Now we can ask it to create codes for all the remaining items, and it will do just that. You will see it generating codes for every item listed. When users present this QR code, let's say at an event, you can scan it to open the item and instantly change the status. It makes the whole process very simple. That is how you can use Triggerly's skill inside Monday Sidekick to generate unlimited QR codes for your items on Monday.com. Go ahead and give it a try. If you face any problems, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.